Hi, I am delighted to let you know, in line with latest government guidelines, all our businesses are now open. As a family-owned and run business, our team love meeting our customers, so being able to welcome you to our showrooms again in a safe and secure manner is something we're really looking forward to. If you are looking for a new or used car, you can still browse all our stock on our website or book a live video appointment with our sales teams. And now you can visit our showrooms to see the vehicles in person.
In preparation for reopening, we've implemented a number of safety and social distancing measures across all our dealerships to help protect our team and our customers. These measures include keeping 2 metres distance from each other. We have laid out clear floor markings to help you adhere to this and have put in a one-way system in place to allow easy and clear entry and exit. We have a sanitisation station at the entrance to our showroom where you can sanitise your hands upon entry and provide gloves and face masks for you to wear if you wish. We're also taking the temperature of everyone that enters the showroom, both our team and customers, and if you have a high temperature, we hope you won't be offended if we ask you to return at a later date. Please follow the guidance from our team and the clear signage we have put in place throughout the site. Whilst you're at our dealership, all the vehicles on site will remain locked to help avoid contamination. If you would rather find your next car or van from home, we also offer a click and collect service. Simply find your perfect vehicle online, either complete an online inquiry form or give us a call and we'll arrange a virtual appointment via video call to show you the vehicle and discuss your options. Our website also allows you to pay for your next vehicle online in full or apply for finance.
There are some excellent finance offers out there at the moment, so this could be a great opportunity to get your next vehicle. Our sales team will talk you through the entire process and can issue the relevant paperwork via email if you prefer. Once the full payment of the vehicle has been confirmed, we will arrange a collection appointment on a date to suit you. This will involve you coming to our dealership to collect your new vehicle, and we have implemented all the measures we mentioned earlier to help you do this as safely as possible. We may also be able to deliver your new vehicle to you at your home address. This will be subject to availability. Our after-sales departments are also open for pre-booked service, MOT, repair or warranty work. Our accident repair centre is also open and appointments can be booked online or over the phone. We're unable to offer courtesy cars or the collection and delivery service for now. Please do not hesitate to contact us should you have any questions. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.